sure, here's a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone about the 2025 Vivo Y58, keeping it under 600 words and structured into features, exterior, and a short conclusion. Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we're checking out a fresh drop from Vivo, the 2025 Vivo Y58. This is a mid-range phone that's trying to punch above its weight with solid features, a clean design, and a price that won't burn your wallet. So let's dive into what this phone is packing. Starting with the features, the Vivo Y58 runs on the latest version of Flagship OS based on Android, giving it a smooth and user-friendly interface. It's powered by a capable chipset that handles everyday tasks pretty easily, whether you're scrolling through social media, watching videos, or multitasking with a few apps. The phone holds up well without stuttering. The Y58 comes with a big display that looks sharp and bright, great for content consumption and casual gaming. The colors are vibrant and it gets plenty bright outdoors, making it easy to use even under sunlight. The refresh rate is decent, which gives you smoother scrolling and a more fluid experience while navigating. As for the cameras, on the back you get a dual camera setup with a main sensor that does a surprisingly good job in good lighting. It captures detailed shots with natural colors and decent dynamic range. There's also a secondary lens for depth, which helps with portrait shots. The front camera gets the job done for selfies and video calls with decent clarity and color tones. Battery life is another area where the Vivo Y58 stands out. It packs a large battery that can easily last a full day on regular usage with power-efficient hardware and software optimization. You won't be looking for the charger before bedtime, and yes, it supports fast charging, so you can get a decent boost in a short amount of time. Now looking at the exterior, the Vivo Y58 keeps things sleek and modern. The back panel has a subtle matte finish that resists fingerprints and gives a premium feel in hand. The camera module is clean and not overly bulky, which helps keep the design minimal and classy. The phone has curved edges, making it comfortable to hold even during long usage. The button placement is just right and the fingerprint scanner is fast and accurate. There's also a face unlock feature for convenience. The build quality feels solid even though it's mostly plastic, but Vivo did a good job making it feel sturdy and stylish at the same time. It still includes a headphone jack, which a lot of people will appreciate, and the speaker output is loud enough for media and calls. There's also support for dual SIM and expandable storage, which is always a nice bonus in this segment. So wrapping it up, the 2025 Vivo Y58 is a solid all-rounder for anyone looking for a balanced smartphone at an affordable price. It offers a smooth performance, decent cameras, a great battery, and a stylish design without cutting too many corners. If you're someone who wants a reliable phone that handles daily tasks with ease and still looks good doing it, the Y58 is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's review on FK iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next one. Let me know if you want a version in a different tone, like more humorous or technical.